Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We are in Star Holler, USA. Trying to, hopefully that sun ain't too bad right there going down. But down here by the big bluff rocks. Earl Harry passed me and run away from me.
We don't know where we're going to end up.
Where we're going, we don't need roads.
Well, they help out a bunch.
Shoot, back in the day, I remember we always made them. But back in the day, when I started out, dirt bikes and three-wheelers stuff, all the national forests, there wasn't all those trails out there. I mean, we made them, you know, with the dirt bikes and the four-wheelers.
Now they won't let you ride them.
And now they stop you from riding them, yeah, because
right.
you're breaking rocks or something or killing a lizard.
We can't have that.
Don't want that. Yeah, and it's crazy because I've been back to some of them old trails, even down here on the Mark Twain, where we used to ride, and you can't even tell they was there. They're hard to find. I found one here maybe not last summer, but the summer before. And I made a video, did you see it, where I was climbing that big hill?
Yes.
I found that sucker, but you could hardly even tell there was a trail there.
If it's the one I was thinking of, you're just breaking brush all the way through.
Yeah. And up a monster hill climb. That's why I finally gave up. I still would like to go back, but because that one goes all the way to M Highway through there.
They've shut down a lot of those on M Highway, going to M Highway.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Rock Creek, no.
Somebody could break a nail or, you know, blow a fart out or something if they want to stop you from riding on it. About time you turn that thing off.
Well, I'm going to be turning to the left after a while.
Okay, guys, if you watched my yesterday's videos, this is the other side of that, where that big fence was in the buck. This is the other side of it, which is a long ways back over them hills to that other fence.
It'd be a long ways to walk.
Yeah, it would. And when Harry buys it, we'll have some awesome videos for you guys.
You bet. Party, well, party.
Yeah, we'll have a big party. Invite everybody down with the 300Ls. We might even let some people with the 250L come down just for the heck of it.
I bet your video's hard on this sunshine right now.
Yeah, I don't like it. I'm sure the video's no good either. Well, you know, at some of them big biker rallies, they have a bike bash. Yeah. So all of us 300L guys could get a 250L. Maybe you could use yours to do a bike bash.
Maybe I could camouflage it and make it 300.
We're going to a place where we possibly can see some deer. But there will be a lot of hunters up in there. Look at that deer right there. See the flag?
Nope, I didn't.
He's going up over the hill there.
I was watching my corner.
Yeah, that's probably more important.
Yeah.
He's right there on the left, right there on that hillside going up through there. And I was telling Harry this morning, guys, that I was going to work and I pert near hit the ground. I was turning a quarter down there in town. And it was slick from the sweat because it was so warm last night. And buddy, that front tire, that Tuss D-Sport, it wasn't the tire's fault. I mean, heck, you're riding a knobby on the street anyway, and then when it's wet and slick in the morning there, and boy, it washed out, and luckily I saved it, and I couldn't tell you how, but...
Yeah, that'd have broke your heart, put some scratches on the little L.
Yeah, God's grace, I guess, but I saved it. And especially my pride right there in front of all the cars going everywhere.
Yeah, right there in front of the coffee shop.
Yeah. Somebody would have drove by and spit on me while I'm laying on the ground. Somebody in a white Toyota or a Mazda Miata.
Could have been.
Yeah. Some of them rude people.
I'll have to tell my wife not to do that.
Quit doing that to him.
I don't want anybody to know I drive her Miata.
Yeah. Harry has a Mazda Miata. That's what he drives. That's his driving car. He had a four-wheel drive truck for overlanding, and he ended up, because he does all the fishing and hunting, he wanted a Miata.
Frank.
Okay, his wife's got a Mazda Miata. Well, my wife's just got a Jeep Gladiator. What's the difference?
Well, don't feel very manly when you pull up in a Mazda Miata and your wife ain't driving.
Yeah, pull up and rev the motor.
It is fun though.
Oh yeah, I believe it. I always thought one would be cool to have.
Oh, there are. This here's 22 years old though. And it's,
Oh wait a minute, am I recording when I said that? I got to cut that part out.
uh-oh.
I want people thinking I said it was cool to have a Mazda Miata.
Oh, they get to know the real you, Frank.
No, I always thought one would be cool to have, even like a MG midget or something.
Yeah, we take that thing, head off down 62 Highway down Eureka or some places down in there. And it's a lot of fun. I don't know how soon you want to get through this. I can slow down or speed up.
You're doing fine.
Good deal.
As long as I can keep up with this guy, because he used to race that hard enduro stuff so much, you don't know how to ride slow.
You must be talking about my brother.
We're talking about your mother.
Yeah.
Your mama used to race motocross.
Somebody did.
But this is a pretty place up through here. The thing is there's the state forest up here, and usually there's going to be a lot of hunters. There's a shooting range and everything. So
We may have should have wore our orange helmets.
yeah, no kidding. I got shot at one time up through here. I don't know if I got shot at or if it's just but I was riding up through here deer season, and there wasn't nobody at the shooting range, but I did see a guy in orange walking up over the hill, but it wasn't him because I went on a hill past him on up past the shooting range, and I heard a shot. Boy, that dude was close, and I heard the bullet. You know, he going through right in the trees by my head there somewhere. I had it, but I decided then that I wasn't going to be only on this road. I'm not going up those trails. No more riding in deer season. I just ride the dirt roads, but I ain't gonna ride up in the woods.
Yeah, I haven't rode up, and not very often do I ride back up in where the shooting range is at. Get
Yeah.
up above, behind it.
Yeah, I ride through there. I don't mind that, but I wouldn't do it during deer season. And not just because of getting shot, because just out of respect, you know, they're trying to hunt, leave them alone.
That's true.
I wouldn't want people, even though our bikes are quiet, but still, we might actually benefit them, spook a deer to them.
Yeah, it wouldn't hurt anything.
Yeah.
Be like dogs driving them to them.
Tell them, say, that's what I'll be doing, man. I'm trying to spook a deer up to you.
Good looking black cows there.
Yeah. All I see when I look at them, I just see a bunch of ribeyes. T-bones, ribeyes. Sometimes you get a glance at some burger.
You're letting your stomach do your thinking.
I know, I'm having a steak tonight, too. It's in the works, buddy. I'm going to laugh at you while you're eating that bologna that's got the olives in it tonight for your supper. But pickle loaf, yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah. That or liver loaf.
Hey, I like liver loaf. You don't like it?
You can have all of mine.
No, Harry. Who's the man?
I don't know. If you have to eat liver loaf to prove it evidently ain't me.
You missed that wheelie rock there.
I didn't miss anything.
Oh, man. But yeah, this is the last day of the nice weather like this. It's supposed to be 75 earlier.
I'll tell you what, I started out this morning in a t-shirt and a sweatshirt, and I'm down to a t-shirt right now under my riding coat. And my coat's a little warm.
Yesterday when I went to work, I had on this climb jacket, but you always put layers under these because they're really not winter jackets. You put layers under the climb jackets. Well, I had a jacket on under it, and I froze, boy. And then this morning I didn't. I just had the climb jacket on. It was nice.
Yeah, it's a lot warmer. Today's been a beautiful day. If the wind would lay down, it would have been perfect.
Yeah.
Humidity's low, temperature's good.
That's the good part about these hollers. You can get out of the wind. It's not bad at all here.
Yeah, it is nice.
You get on top of them hills, that's where the wind wants to blow.
Oh, wait till the rainy season starts and try to drive down through here.
Oh, yeah.
Now that'd be a treat.
I've done it before just to come look at the water. We'll have to do it sometime. If it rains, come down and make a video of the flooding.
Let's do it in your Gladiator.
Yeah, that'll work too. I would go through deeper water in a Gladiator than I would on this.
Yeah, I bet you would. What gets me is these concrete slab low water crossings when they're wet.
Yeah.
I don't like them.
No, they're slicker than snot.
So you better just coast through them.
Slicker than greased owl, Snooky. Pretty slick. We used to ride up that creek right there, I mean a long ways. You have to wheelie over some logs, some big ledges, but it's pretty cool. This is down here where I lost my drone.
That's what you were saying last time we come through here.
Yeah.
You found it though, didn't you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You still got the drone?
Yeah, I sold one of them to my brother, or my son-in-law.
I hadn't heard you say much about videoing lately.
Yeah, I kept the best one. I need to use it. We need to get it out and use it. I mean, I never do. But you kind of need an all-day thing, right? And you can stop because you know, it takes time setting up the drone and getting it ready and getting some shots. And on these rides like this, you really can't do it. And this
late in the day.
Yeah, this time of year, it's, you know, in summer we still got 3 more hours of daylight, or 4 more hours.
Yeah, it'd be bedtime, still sunshine.
Yeah.
I noticed a lot of posted no hunting signs here.
Well, you imagine all the people that come up through here and just go hunting everywhere. You don't have to put no sign up for me. I know I don't own that land. I'm not going to go on it.
Yeah, they haven't got to the state land yet.
Now, you can hunt there.
Yeah, state and federal both. But you're competing with a lot of other people.
Well, you can see without the leaves on. You can see the bluffs and everything a lot better now. That's the only good thing about winter. I don't think it's as pretty in the winter when fall when the leaves are gone.
I kind of like being able to see back in the woods.
Yeah, even though you can see, but I don't think it's as pretty as the leaves.
Oh yeah. I think it'd have been cheaper to put some purple paint up to all those signs. Did I lose you?
No. I'm just in your blind spot right here.
I can't see you. Hey, boy, you was hid.
I was hiding from you.
I couldn't see you.
It's just because I'm so tiny.
Either mirror.
I hope you guys can hear him. He talks like a little 3-year-old or something.
I'm very polite. Come on.
I told him you need to speak up on these videos. People probably turn the video up, the volume up, and then turn it down, and turn it down.
Yeah, that'd burn it, wouldn't it?
Maybe I need to talk quieter too. Maybe that'll help.
I don't think you can, right?
No, I can't shut up.
Your volume control is set on medium high.
My teacher asked me one time if I had diarrhea of the mouth because it just keeps on running. Actually, kind of rude.
We're on state land now, I think.
Yep, we are on the left. Well, we are on the right too.
Yeah.
There's just a little spot there that's not. Oh man!
What'd you get?
Stupid stick. It broke. It's a hickory stick, so you know it's pretty dead if it broke.
Didn't punch a hole in anything, did it?
Nah, I don't see no steam yet. They come up here and whack something like the.
I heard it in your microphone.
They didn't whack me in the teeth or nothing. Oh, you meant, am I leaking something or the bike?
Either one of you.
Oh.
Wouldn't be good for either one of you.
Punch a hole in my side and be leaking out down through here.
Wouldn't be good. I'd have to tag you, I guess, to take you in.
Yeah.
Have your CDW tested or whatever that is.
I got him down there. Can't tell if it's a doe or a buck.
Oh, God.
I couldn't help that one.
I ain't touching that one.
It just led up to it. Oh, but everybody get a laugh out of that.
Yeah, I bet they will too.
There's a water hole.
Yeah, a little wet right there. Watch him. I hit both of them.
See? That's what you do. One hole in the road or 2 holes, and he hit them both.
Got them both.
In the whole holler.
We can go up to the shooting range if you want to. Shotgun.
Nah, it's be fine. You go ahead. I'll meet you at the other side down there.
That'd be a long road right through.
I'll wait for you.
That's all right.
But I'd only wait so long.
I bet I can find my way home.
See if there's anybody here. Yeah, there's somebody there.
Yep. I ain't.
You would think that would interfere with people's hunting, but maybe not, because they're probably used to it year round. I mean,
I bet they don't pay no attention to
yeah,
it.
I mean, I bet they're used to it.
Probably for the last 3 weeks before deer season is every day down here.
Oh gosh, you know it is. Danger.
We caught a big old rattlesnake right here one time, me and an old blood.
Oh really?
Yeah, he's big, and we didn't kill him or anything, but they kind of spooked me. I'm not much of a rattlesnake catcher, but the guy I was with, he said, "Here, you hold that stick, and I'm going to pick him up," and he did.
I've never seen one over here. I've seen them, a few of them over by Rock Creek area.
This one here was right in the middle of the road. We was driving down to the shooting range. He was a pretty good sized rattler.
Yeah, everyone I've seen is a big one. I've never seen a little one around here.
I've got a picture of him somewhere, but
Did you bite his head off?
shoot, no.
Oh.
I wanted to leave him be.
Bite his head off, then you can eat the meat.
Nope, he wasn't hurting nothing. He was minding his own business.
Save the skin for a water bottle. You can pee in it if you ever need enough thirst. You need that.
Huh.
Yeah. Bear Grylls did it. You know it was real.
You can tell we're getting up out of the creek because it turned to red clay instead of rock.
Yeah, it did. Boom! I hit the only pothole there too.
Just that.
That's why I like him. I'm happy with this suspension like this. To me, for this kind of stuff, it soaks up the bumps real good, being soft. I've had stiff bikes before, and you feel them a lot more.
I'm not good enough to really put a bike through its paces, so putting around is just not right for me. I like it. Well, I'll tell you what, if it was a little bit damp, those leaves would be hard to ride on.
Yeah, it would.
Slick.
You let me know if you see a granny in a Volkswagen flying about 80 around the corner.
Think I can pass her?
I just don't want her to run me over. You'll never pass her. You might get passed by her.
We get up here at the Y, you want to go right or left?
Up to you.
Yeah, the other way will take us all the way down to 90, won't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't need to go down that far.
If we ever run out of daylight, we'll get home a little earlier tonight.
Yeah. We was pushing the edge of darkness last night.
Yeah, we was, because I had bugs. Did you have bugs on your shield, you say?
I had a few, yes.
Yeah, mine was covered in them. Yeah, watch out for that Volkswagen.
I've got an eye out.
Check this guy out. He's so polite, he even put on his turn signal on a dirt road.
Never know.
The guy's never broke a law in his life.
No.
He's probably one of the closest things to Jesus you've ever seen.
Dudley Do Right.
Dudley Do Right. Or Wrong Way, whatever his name was. Wrong Way Feldman.
More like Snidely Whiplash.
Snidely Whiplash.
Well, the weather is perfect here.
My goodness, I love it. This is awesome.
Can't believe you're letting me lead.
Well, I figure it's either let you lead or worry about you running into me.
That's where those turn signals come in handy.
I can use them brakes, I think, better than you. You just run up on me like you're going to kill me or something.
Yeah. It's a possibility.
I kid you not. Earlier today down there, that was the closest I ever come to dying in my life. When you run up on me.
Oh yeah, yeah. But my braking's much better now. I wish you'd just give me a little warning.
Yeah, now you don't touch when you get you get close, but you don't touch no more.
Yeah, that's right. They cleaned up several of those trailer house spots.
Yeah, it looks better.
Yeah, it does.
Well, guys, we're going to get back on the stupid pavement, so the boring stuff. So thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and let us know if you can hear Harry or not. Catch you in the next one. Right on.